Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the PLEGBLE PL-710 drone with ICE 4K camera. I've spent a good amount of time looking through the internet, watching hands-on flight tests, digging into owner reviews, comparing it to other drones in this class, and checking performance breakdowns. So I can give you an honest, no-nonsense take on whether this lightweight, beginner-friendly drone is worth your money. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the PLEGBLE PL-710 stands out with a really impressive feature set for what it is. You're getting a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization, ICE, a 5.0 screen built into the controller, GPS positioning, up to 70 minutes of flight time, long-range transmission, and intelligent modes like AI track and orbit, follow me, and auto return. All in a lightweight and foldable design under 249 grams. On paper that looks like a serious drone package for beginners, hobbyists, and even casual content creators, and after digging into what reviewers and real owners are saying online, most of that promise checks out in real-world use. Let's start with the thing most people care about first, the camera and image quality. The PL-710's 4K camera with ICE stabilization is a feature you don't often see on drones under this price and size category. From flight footage I watched online, videos look smooth and stable even when the drone is cruising at moderate speeds or facing a breeze. That makes a huge difference compared to drones without stabilization, where footage can feel shaky or jittery. Whether you're shooting landscapes, family moments, or travel clips, people who've tested this drone online consistently comment that the video quality looks crisp and usable straight out of the air. Another big advantage here is the 5.0 screen on the controller. Many drones at this price point rely on your smartphone for live view, which means fumbling with clips, apps, and connectivity. With a built-in screen, you get an uninterrupted FPV, first-person view, feed that's bright, easy to see, and ready the moment you power up. From what users mention across forums and reviews, that's an underrated quality of life feature, especially for beginners who just want a more straightforward flying experience without the technical setup. Flight time and reliability are also strong points. With up to 70 minutes of total flight time, you're getting significantly more airtime than many competitor drones in this category, where 15 to 30 minutes per battery is more typical. Obviously, real flight time varies depending on wind, speed, how hard you're pushing it, and whether you're using intelligent modes, but most owners agree that the PL-710 delivers reliable endurance and lets you enjoy multiple shots, edits, and flight sessions before needing to recharge. GPS positioning makes flying feel safer and more predictable. Features like auto return bring the drone back to its takeoff point if battery gets low or signal weakens, which is huge for new pilots worried about losing hardware or crashing. And speaking of intelligent modes, things like AI track and orbit and follow me let the drone automatically circle or track a subject without you manually steering every move. People online repeatedly praise these features because they turn the drone into a self-filming companion that feels more advanced than you'd expect from a beginner-friendly toy-style quadcopter. Portability is another area where this model shines. Weighing under 249 grams, it sidesteps many drone registration requirements in different regions and is easy to fold up and toss in a bag. Users love how compact it is. You don't need giant backpacks or bulky cases, and it's ideal for travel, hiking, beach days, picnics, or urban photography. Of course, nothing's perfect. Some reviewers note that while the drone is powerful and capable, it's still best suited to recreational flying and casual video work. It's not a replacement for professional cinematography drones with mechanical gimbals or enterprise-grade sensors. And like any drone, flying in strong wind can affect stability and range. So the big question, should you buy the PLEGBLE PL-710 drone with ICE 4K camera? After looking through benchmarks, user impressions, and real flight tests across the internet, I'd say yes if you want a polished, capable, easy-to-fly drone that delivers smooth 4K footage, reliable GPS features, intuitive intelligent modes, and long flight time, all wrapped in a lightweight, travel-friendly package that's perfect for beginners and everyday creators. If this review helped you decide, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.